know this.
This is where the
What's
conference
this?
rooms are.
Oh, this is nice. Look, we're going to see them. Ah, there's a you made me crash there.
Just don't.
Which floor? Oh, there's an. This is a blog of room 357 at the. Oh, big blue hotel. Oh, look, isn't it nice? Switch the light on. Switch all the lights on, Ginny. I'm not. Wow, haven't you got a nice one? And a really good view of the park as well. Wow. Oh look, we're down there. We're down that one. There. That one down there. See where that there is? That's where we are.
Oh, you'll be able to lift.
No, because I'm looking that way. How come it's very dark?
It is very dark, that's the thing.
Ooh, don't like your picture.
Why, what is it?
It's a picture. And there. Everything's really dark in your room.
Yeah, that's it.
Light switch. And you've got more sockets than we have.
Look, that's nice.
Power. Oh look, you've got that. Ooh.
You open the doors. It's nice.
Got a oh, you got wolves.
I said that to you.
I've been on that train. Choo-choo. Oh, and the theme park's not open today. It's open at the weekend. No, it's open tomorrow actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going tomorrow, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. And you got tea and coffee.
We have time, but I'm not sitting kids. It's not
And then storage, and then oh, bathroom. This is a nice bathroom. Aren't the toilets really, really low though?
The
So
only thing is,
low.
they could do with a grab rail just there.
Yeah, they
They'll
can do
get out of the
that.
bath.
But you've got a glass sort of like thing.
I will say the shower is lovely.
Oh.
It's hot and it's nice.
Yeah, but hello. But what else is there? Oh, where's your amenities? Or did you pinch them and put them in your bag?
What do you mean?
Didn't you get any sort of like?
They were over there. James has put me back.
What are them ones?
They're ours. Look.
Well, hold on a minute. You crashed the door in me.
Shelving.
Earmuffs. Oh, why didn't you put your fanny on? Oh. Yeah, it's nice. Nice room. I like it. But look where your television is.
Yes.
But you've got PowerPoint. And then how do you make this light go on?
Yeah, you have to underneath.
It doesn't
It
work.
goes underneath and switch it on.
I'm feeling that I can't
No,
find it.
underneath the shelf.
What, under there to
Yeah.
switch it on?
Yeah. The only thing is, we move things around this way to watch the telly.
Oh, that's why the furniture's moving everywhere then.
Yeah, you can change the telly.
But what's this?
Your headboard.
Yeah, but
So you don't bang it in.
it's a deluxe double at the Big Blue Hotel in Blackpool. So this is Janine and James's room, and then I'll blog our room downstairs because we've got an accessible room, family room, but it's accessible. So, morning. And then this is the stairwell going. Did you find it? Okay. Fitness room. It's a fitness room.
Didn't we?
No, we found a fitness room. Wow, look at this. Are you going to go fitness room? Did you know there was a fitness room here? No, me neither. Alien to me, I don't do things like this. But look, you got a really good view. The roller coaster. I've been on that. That's nice. Is that a changing room then?
Yeah, you can get a shower. Look.
No, it's a bath. So this is our room, 101. Bedroom, gym, lounge. No, this isn't.
Lights.
Lights. Camera,
Look
action.
at this bit.
Oh yeah, this is a family room accessible, but we're using it for our walk-in
Wardrobe.
Oh, there's a, is it an Xbox or a PlayStation? Looks like a PlayStation television. Really, really small bunk bed that I can't fit in. I tried it. And then why is it so dark? Why? I don't like it dark. Switch the lights on. There we go. And there we go. More lights. And that's your wardrobe space. Oh, and this is the view that we have. An iron board and an iron, and curtain hangers and storage space, hairdryer, television, kettle. Oh, we've got this thing here. Where's that? Over there, look. Oh look, I put Michael's cards up. And you get tea and coffee making facilities, and then, oh, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom, and once again, it's really, really low toilet, and obviously grab rails everywhere. And then here you get a, what are you doing? And then, well, I don't know what that is. A wash chair, and then you shower, but you get this curtain thing, and it's like a wet room. So there you go. There's lots of stuff, plenty of towels, loads and loads and loads of them. And then, oh, and a pull cord thing for emergencies if Michael needs. But there's a reset button just there. And the only thing is, only one electrical socket, which is there. One.
Really? We've got loads?
I know.
This is what you're having. You're having for your...
What's this place called? Dinner menu at the Big Blue Hotel. This is the restaurant. What's it called? It's called Big Blue Restaurant.
The restaurant is the Big Blue.
It's called the Big Blue Restaurant. And it's Blues Raspberry. That's yum 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 yum. What was that? You're not happy with your dinner?
It's not big enough.
But look at them both. Yum 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 yum.
How many pieces of steak have you got?
Only one. Look at that face. Did you want more steak, James?
There's plenty there.
Not enough. Your eyes are bigger than your belly.
Exactly. There's plenty. There'd be too much anymore there.
Verdict? Is it cooked to perfection? Oh. That's nice. Is that it?
Try a bit of that.
Are you going to lick that now? Yum 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 yum. That's funny.
Lovely and creamy.
Wow, look, lightning. I can see lightning, Michael. Yeah, over there. it wasn't the light, it was like lightning flashes. Yeah, it was. Well, that's not very good. There's thunder and lightning. Oh well, our first night in Blackpool. It's been fun. So this is the breakfast area. This is where you get your tea and your coffee, your toast, and then selections of jams and stuff. And then you get pastries and milk and fruit, all in this area. And just go over here, get all your condiments. And just down here is where you get the glasses for your juices, which is all here. And this side, looking back, there's the full breakfast. You get eggs, bacon, sausage, beans, scrambled eggs, tomatoes, and they're gorgeous. They look like hash brown things. Really, really nice. And we're sat here.